Hi, welcome to the ABC Labs channel. Do you have a blurry picture and want to turn it clear but do not know how to do it? Now you can try this AI solution. Download and install ABC Labs Photo Enhancer AI and double-click to run it. Click the Browse button to import the photo or drag and drop the photo to the program window directly. Then choose an AI model. And click the Preview button to view the effect. Drag the slider to view the comparing between the original and enhanced photos. Click the Save All button, and the program begins to remove the blur of the picture. When it finishes, open the output directory to view the enhanced photos. Compare it with the source image. The image is clearer and of better quality. AI is so intelligent and powerful. That's all. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, just subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.